Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to check if your Microsoft Office is activated. So in this process you can basically use any of the Microsoft Office products. So in my example I'm just going to use Word. Okay, so you're going to open Word and then you're going to go into a blank document. Okay, so once you're here you're going to click on File right there, and then you're going to go into Account, and you can see here the product information. It says product activated. If your product is not activated, it will be stated right here, and then you can enter your key and you can add your product. If you want to change your key, you can just click on change product key and you can enter your new key here. So this is how to check if your Microsoft Office is activated or not. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.